Hi guys, hope you're well. I'm back in the workshop today just to film a quick behind the scenes video to show you this interesting valve we've got coming. It's a 380mm iris diaphragm valve and it's for a sugar application in a factory in the UK. The application, they're actually having a problem with knife gate valves clogging up, so we have specified this iris valve as a solution for them. So as you can see, the valve's in the open position. It's almost like a bag. It would be horizontal on the bottom of a hopper, so the powder can fall through the valve. And then when they want to close the valve, they just apply some air and the iris shape closes. I'm just going to put some air on now just to show you how that works, because it's not something we see very often in the valve and process workshop, so I thought it'd be quite an interesting video to show you. So we've got it all piped up and I'll just put some air on to put it into the closed position. And as you can see, the iris closes round and the valve is in the closed position, and that'll hold the powder in the hopper. It's really nice for cleaning down, stopping powder and product getting clogged in there. So a great solution for this application. And this will be getting packed up and heading off to site today. So thanks very much for watching.